Hey there guys, it's All Things Apple Plus here. I know it's been a while, but I wanted to give you guys just some quick information and a little how-to tutorial on this whole jailbreak matter. There's been a lot of questions been running around, and I actually just wanted to go ahead and make a video and post a video out since I've been away for a while. I really needed to go ahead and make a video, guys, for you guys on how to jailbreak your iOS devices. Now, currently I'm on a 6S Plus. I haven't upgraded to the 7. I'll probably upgrade to my to the 8 once it does come out. But as of right now, the iPhone 6S Plus is available to jailbreak, as well as the 6 and 6 Plus. Now, I mean 6 and 6 Plus, 6S and 6S Plus device models are able to jailbreak right now. I don't believe the 7 and 7 Plus models are available just as of yet. There are different iPad models, and the iPhone SE is available to be jailbroken. I'm going to leave a link, and I'm actually going to leave some notes in the description. So check out the description once you've finished watching this video to see whether or not your devices are, able to jailbreak or not. And I'll be updating the description as the next coming days go by, because lately we've been seeing other devices that other devices have been added to the list of what devices can be jailbroken, I should say. So what I'm going to do, I have a lot that I'm going to be leaving in the link in the description below, so check that out. One of the things I'm going to be leaving is a link to Cydia Impactor and the Yalu 102 Alpha Jailbreak app. So these two will go hand in hand. First thing out of anything, you are going to need iTunes installed. So please make sure that iTunes is installed onto your device, or onto your computer. If you, it doesn't necessarily need to be running, but at least installed. Next, download Cydia Impactor. It's the application. Let me go ahead and actually zoom in right here. It's actually this first app right here. You're going to need this, and it's going to come with these DLL files. Don't even worry about those. All you will really need is the Impactor files. Then you will also need the Yalu 102 Alpha Jailbreak app. These will go hand in hand. So after having all that done, you'll go ahead and run the Impactor. And from the Impactor, this is the only menu box that you'll see. So let me go actually pull this down for you guys. And then what you'll need to do is you'll need to drag and drop this iOS app right into the Cydia Impactor application. Your iTunes email will be needed, and your password will be needed. This will be so that when you open up your device, and I'm going to actually switch to my device in a second. Once you open up your device, you will need to verify and trust this application, and it's going to be trusted under your email. So again, go ahead and plug in your email and your password, and then go ahead and hit OK. Once you do, and if you receive any errors, any sort of messages saying error, unfortunately we can't, access to your account, it means that you have a second step security option on your iTunes account. And what you'll need to do is you'll need to navigate to Apple's account, or their Apple ID account in Safari or Chrome or anything, or any media browser that you have, and you'll need to take away and remove the second step security option on your account. And I'm going to leave a link to that one in the description below as well too. Trust me, I got a lot of things that I got to leave for you guys, but I'm going to leave that link in the description if you are receiving that error. If you're not, you can go ahead and skip all that and move on to the next process. After everything has been installed to your device, I'm actually going to go and switch to my device. But before I do, prior to all this, if you are looking to update to 10.2, or if you're on, say if you are on iOS 10 but you want the newer features of 10.2, what you can do is I'm gonna leave also another address is ipsw.me. It's a site where you can download the different firmwares that Apple is signing, so you can install them onto your device. And like what I have right here, I have iOS 10.2 for my iPhone 6S. And so if I wanted to update to this specific firmware, let me scroll out a little back here. You can hit update or restore iPhone. And what you'll need to do is you'll need to hit the shift key and you'll click on update and it'll bring up this menu. So all you'll need to do is just select the actual firmware that you want to restore to or update to, and then it will go ahead and inject that firmware into your device. After doing so, you'll see that your device is running 10.2 at the moment. At this very moment in time, as of 2:56 on 1:30, Apple is still signing iOS 10.2, and they may not be signing it in a couple of hours later or a couple of days later. So just get on 10.2 while you have the chance right now. That's honestly the best advice anybody can give to somebody right now. If you're on a 6S or even an iPhone 6 and up, get to 10.2 and stay there, because at least you have still all of the nice features and updates on your device, but you can also have the jailbreak as well too. So I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this, and I'm gonna go ahead and switch to my phone now, and I'll show you the whole jailbreak process from your phone there. Alrighty guys, so once you receive the actual IPA file, it's gonna show up on your main screen, but I actually put mine away. It's this Yalu 102 app right here. Let me actually pull this out. And it's right here on your main screen. So what you'll do is, from the application, you can go ahead and tap on there. And mine says already jailbroken. You'll notice that yours says go. And if once yours says go on there, go ahead and tap in the middle of there and it will run the jailbreak process. Your phone will respring. And after it resprings, Cydia will be installed onto your device. And then all you'll need to do is just open up Cydia. It'll probably need to update its services for a second, and then it'll most likely will respring. If not, I've had mine respring maybe a couple times. There's been other times where it just went straight to the menu and it didn't have to respring, if anything. So once you do, you can start loading in your different sources. There's not really a problem in adding the different sources. I'm gonna actually go ahead and leave a list of the sources that I have on my device. You can go ahead and do that. But again, be very cautious about what you're downloading and putting onto your device, because not all of these tweaks work. But what I'll do in the next coming days, I'll go ahead and post a video on what tweaks are working at the moment and what tweaks are compatible with your iOS devices. And you can also check via Google or through other media outlets on what tweaks are working for you at the moment, or what tweaks are working on iOS 10.2 at the moment. So that's pretty much it. That's really the whole jailbreak scheme of it all. There is again, this is a very unstable jailbreak, so just take caution when you're doing this. And if you guys do have any problems or questions, just please email me at allthingsappleplus@gmail.com, or you can leave a comment in the description below. I hope you guys did like this video. If you guys did, please go ahead and like that up and share this one around, and I'll be seeing you guys real soon. Peace.